How's it going today, guys? Welcome back to another moto vlog. As you can see, we're back on the RMK, cruising around, just trying to find some pow. Thought I would spice up the intro video a little bit. Alrighty, let's see if we can find some pow. Cracker straight off of the wheelie. That's a little harder than I wanted. Yeah, we're gonna get a +7 day here right away and a little span of hot weather, so I don't even care if it's a little windy and a little gross out. I'm getting as much riding in as I can. Nice little added element of not very safe is having barbed wire there, right, like face level. See if this is soft even. Yeah, should be. Oh no way! Holy shit! Oh my god! Okay, I'm gonna have to shoot out of this like a mother. Oh, I just swore. My bad. Try not to swear in my videos. Okay, this is gonna be nasty. Holy shit. I think I'm better off just like rolling my sled kind of thing. I don't know. I really don't know. This one's a bad one. Oh my god. That's ridiculous. Hope you can hear me right now. Alrighty, I got her unstuck. I hope I got a pretty good clip of me like how I did that anyways. I'm gonna go to a whole new area where I'm really hoping it's soft, and yeah, so let's get to it. Alrighty, we're gonna do a little bit of a different area here now. It's actually pretty deep here. I'm really sad that we're gonna get some warm weather. It's kind of really disappointing. Also, I got a new jacket if you guys couldn't tell. Nice thick FXR one because we get some nasty cold weather sometimes. Holy crap. That was actually some nice pow there. Also, I've gotten a few comments being worried that I'm out riding alone. If you guys watch really closely, I'm always riding near a road. I have Life 360 and I also have a comm in my helmet, so I can make an emergency call if need be. I've rode for about 15 years and a lot of those years were alone, so kind of learned to be safe. And yeah, kind of learned to take it easy as well. Yes, this is me taking it easy a little bit. Try a little re-entry off this. I think I'm going to try to record 2 videos today. See what it's like over here. Oh yeah, let's try to get a good wheelie out of this. little hard. Oh, this new jacket makes such a difference. Holy crap. I was kind of wondering how much of this filled in. These drifts are definitely getting bigger. This is where I was on the last moto vlog. So overcast makes it like, ooh, that's all fresh down there. I can't literally see where the ledge is though because it's overcast. You might be able to see it on camera, but I cannot. Oh, what? It's kind of hard. This wasn't here last time. That's kind of wild. I'm just gonna restart the camera, make sure it's working good. Alrighty. This was my re-entry spot last time. You can see my marks. Try another one, might as well. I wanted to try something. I was like this, 1 foot on this, didn't quite. Just wanted to flop over and carve. Not quite. Oh, this is deep. This is deep. Hope it's soft all the way through. Not really. Lame. Ooh. Not much traction to hop off there. Oh, this ain't even as soft as it used to be. Alrighty. Let's go over here. I wish that was soft. What the shit? Holy crap. We're gonna go see what's across the highway there. Aw, hard as hell. Holy, that was deep. Hell yeah. I feel like this is gonna be deep. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Let's get out of here. Alrighty, that's all I got for you guys on this one. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does mean a lot. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a giveaway of 500 subs just to show a little bit of appreciation. But like I said, hope you guys enjoyed that one, and see you later.